Welcome to the video tutorial series on genomic tumor testing patient reports brought to you by the Genomic Education team at the Jackson Laboratory. This short video will walk through the sections of the patient report detailing FDA-approved as well as experimental therapies. The final section of the patient report details the therapy options for the patient given the clinically significant variants detected through genomic sequencing. The first subsection includes the therapies that are FDA approved for the patient indication. This means the therapies are approved for the type of cancer the patient has. For Tony, our patient, we see 4 different therapies listed for his indication, which is melanoma, a type of skin cancer. Next to the drug name, there is the type of drug that it is, which in this case is a MEK or MEK inhibitor. There's also a BRAF inhibitor. These are specific kinases, but drugs may be listed as more general as kinase inhibitors or PARP inhibitors, to name a few. Also, all the way on the right, you can see the name of the gene variant these drugs are approved for. For Tony, all 4 FDA-approved therapies are for the BRAF V600E variant, and under each drug, there's a brief description, including some data supporting the effectiveness for the drug. In the next subsection, there's a list of FDA-approved therapies for a different indication. This means that they are approved therapies for patients with this gene variant who have a different type of cancer. For Tony, the one treatment option here is approved for patients with the BRAF V600E variant, but who have thyroid, liver, or renal cancer. Notice that it is not approved for melanoma, so this is why it is classified as a different indication. Following these 2 FDA-approved subsections, there are 2 others, including therapies with resistance guidelines and potential clinical trials. Resistance guidelines would be provided for therapies that could be used if cancers with certain gene variants that become resistant to other treatments or therapies, or those with special considerations. Following that, there is a list of drugs who are currently experimental or under clinical trial for treating melanoma patients who have one of the gene variants listed on the report. There are several listed here for Tony, 5 for the BRAF variant and 2 relevant to the P10 variant. After reviewing the patient report therapy options, an oncologist would likely meet with other clinicians to decide the best path forward regarding treatment for the patient. Thank you for listening. For more information on genomic tumor testing patient reports, continue watching the other videos in this series. Also, check out the other resources provided by Jack's Genomic Education on our website.